I think every event of this magnitude is actually an opportunity to check the new data points. And there's got to be a new data point on cat modeling, but that's every time you have large events, they always come with something unexpected. And so all this will feed into the cat models, make them better suited for the future. But I think there's got to be a lot more questions and a lot more takeaways from it. Obviously, it's too early to talk about them, but there's got to be questions from a lot of the buyers. Am I buying enough? Did I foresee in the aggregate that I could face hurricane season whereby even before the midpoint of the hurricane season, I may be already out of aggregate capacity. So it's got to be a lot of rethinking for the insurers, new data points for cat modeling. There's got to be a lot of interesting questions about the reaction from third-party capital, obviously. What happens to collateral that is trapped, and how long does it get trapped? How do investors feel about this? Do they want out? What happens to it? How do third-party capital investors react to the length and difficulty of the process and the litigious side of the process? Now I'm talking more about Harvey because we don't know yet about Irma. And finally, for reinsurers as well, it's the sustainability of rates in the context of now we have had 5 years of unprecedented low or benign cat activity that's come to an end this year. What does it mean in terms of rates and finding an equilibrium that works for the whole industry? So many different questions, not answered yet, not just about cat models, but about the whole chain basically.